Welcome to MKG Online Study e-learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn how to do decimal subtraction in BCD binary coded decimal 8421 code using 9's complement method. First question is perform decimal subtraction in BCD using 9's complement 85 minus 24. So we have to subtract 85 minus 24. So this will be 61. So we have to do in BCD. What we are going to do? We are going to take 9's complement of 24. So in my previous video, I have already discussed how to take 9's complement of a number. So this will become 75. So we are going to add this 75 to 24. 85 plus 9's complement of 24 is 75. So this will become 0. Then 8 plus 8 is 16. We are having carry. So we will do and around carry. So final result is 61. Let us do this question using BCD. So 85 85 and 75. So 85 BCD is 1 triple 0 and for 5 is 8010. This is 85 in BCD. Next is 7, 5. This is 9's complement of 24 in BCD. So we are going to add this. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, here 1, then 1 plus 1 is 0, again carry 1, so 1. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0. So both are illegal codes. Add 0, 1, 1, 0 to each group because they are illegal and we have to convert this illegal code to legal code. So we are going to add 6 to each group. So this will become 0, 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1, again 0, carry 1, again 0 and propagate this carry to next group. 1 plus 1 is again 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and we are having carry. So we will add around this carry. So 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. This is 6. This is 1. This is our corrected difference. Let us take one more example. 305.5 minus 168.8. So 305.5 minus 168.8. So 15 minus 8 will be 7. And then so 2, this will become 9. And this will become 14. So then 14 minus 8 will be 6. Then 3. So 136.7. So in 9's complement, what we are doing? We are taking 9's complement of 168.8 and adding to 305.5. So 305.5 plus 9's complement of 168. It is 1138. So 831.1. We are going to add this. So 6.63. 1 and 1. So this is our carry. We are going to do and around carry. So 136.7. Now we will do in BCD format. So 305.5 and 831.1. So we will write in BCD format. 3 BCD code is 0011. 0 is 000. 5 is 0101.0101. Then 8, we are going to add this. 8 1000. 3 is 0011. Then 0001.0001. And then we are going to add this. This is 305.5 in BCD, and this is 9's complement of 168.8 in BCD. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So this will be 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So here 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 and 0. This is 1, 1, 0, 1. So as we can see that 1011 is an illegal code because it is greater than 9. So we have to add 0110 in this group. So we are going to add 0110 in this group only, because rest of the group are already legal codes. So we are not going to add 6 in this particular code. So 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Here 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0 and carry. We are going to do and around carry. So the corrected difference will be 1 1 1 0 0 double 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 3 6. Here we are having decimal 7. So this is how we can perform decimal subtraction in 8421 code or BCT code using Manx complement method. Thanks for watching this video.